Today we're installing the PRO-LOK EPL-100 patio door lock. It's typically installed on the bottom of the door, and it's very easy to use. It's just got a lever. You move it up or down with your finger, or you could actually push it down with your foot if you want to, as long as you don't put too much pressure on it. But find the location on your door that you want to install it, slide it down, hold the lock in place, use an awl or a pencil, mark where your screw holes are going to be. Then on the bolt, when you flip the bolt out, you can actually mark it with an awl or a pencil, or you can put a little dab of lipstick on the end of the bolt. That way it leaves a little lipstick mark on the door so you know exactly where to drill for your bolt. Okay, now that you have the lock installed in the closed position, it's locked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the door a few inches, and I still have a little bit of lipstick left on here. I'm actually going to mark it again and drill a secondary hole, which is a ventilation hole. Okay, so after you've drilled the second hole, you can actually now open up the door a few inches and lock it in this position here. This way, you've got a few inches for ventilation to come in, but someone can't just come and open the door.